When creating new content using the HTML editor in D2L Brightspace, the first thing you want to do is navigate up to your navigation bar and click on Content. Select the module that you would like to add content to. I chose to add content to my lecture. You will then click on New. Then you want to click on Create a File. At this point, your HTML editor will come up and you are able to enter whatever content you would like into the space provided. If you would like to add images, click on Insert Image in your toolbar. You will now have the opportunity to choose where you would like to get your image from. I, for my purpose of this tutorial, chose to take my image from my computer. Now you'll be given an option to either drop a file or to click on Upload to upload your file. After you do those things, you want to click Add. Adjust the image as needed. Finally, you will click on the Save and Close button at the bottom of your screen when you are finished.